Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. When a critical form is submitted, often more than one person needs to know. But manually forwarding emails to managers, partners, or archives is a recipe for missing data and a cluttered inbox. With smart form notifications, you can keep everyone in the loop automatically using professional CC and BCC fields within your workflows. In your sidebar, start by creating a new workflow and heading to the Email Template tab. First, define your primary recipient. This is the person responsible for taking immediate action on the form response. But what if a manager needs to monitor progress, or a system needs a copy for the archives? Smart Form Notifications gives you total flexibility. Simply click the Add CC VCC link to expand your options. Add a supervisor to the CC field for transparency. Then, use the BCC field for your archives or compliance team. By using BCC, these recipients get all the data they need, but the primary recipient's view remains clean and professional. They won't see a long list of unnecessary email addresses. Keep everyone in the loop without the mess. Whether you are notifying a single department head or an entire administrative team, your execution logs provide the proof that everyone got the right information at the right time. It's the simplest way to ensure accountability and maintain a perfect digital paper trail. Stop forwarding and start automating. Install SmartForm notifications from the Google Workspace Marketplace today and visit gwaddons.com to see how we help teams stay synchronized.